How to delete your Netflix account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will simply show you how you can delete your Netflix account, so you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to delete our Netflix account, first of all make sure you have updated the Netflix app and open up the Netflix application first. Now once you open it up, make sure to log into one of your profiles and make sure that you're logging into an admin profile, not a child account, right? So once you're logged in, we're going to proceed to deleting our account. And to do that, tap on your profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and then here you'll find the option called account. Just tap on it. Once you go to the account option, you'll be able to see multiple type of options. So let's just wait until this web page has been successfully loaded up over here. So as you can see, we will be bombarded with all this type of options. So in order to delete our account, we're going to scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then you'll find the option called delete account under settings, right? So just go ahead and then tap on the delete account button. When you tap on delete account button, first of all you have to confirm your identity, because this is done in order to verify that the person trying to delete the account is the actual owner of the account himself or not. So either you have to verify with your email, or either you have to confirm with your payment details. When you verify it, you'll be able to successfully delete your Netflix account. That's all it takes to delete our Netflix account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.